Good morning to all present here. I'm Ramya Devi working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding JavaScript. So JavaScript is basically a programming language used to create a dynamic content for websites. So it is a lightweight cross-platform and a single-threaded programming language. Basically an interpreted language that executes code line by line, providing more flexibility. So it is client-side programming language. On the client side, JavaScript works along with HTML and CSS. So HTML adds structure to your web page, while CSS styles it, but JavaScript main duty is to bring life but allowing users to interact with elements on the page. So basically, it provides and it enables interactivity in your web page. So such as actions on clicking buttons, filling out some forms, and showing animations. So likewise, JavaScript on the client side is directly executed in the user's browser. So when it comes to the server side, on web servers, JavaScript is used to access databases, file handling, and security features to send responses to browsers. So why we need to learn JavaScript? So JavaScript, it's a core language for web development, which enables dynamic and interactive features in websites with fewer lines of code. And it is highly in demand, offering many job opportunities in front end, back end, and full stack development, which supports powerful frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, Vue.js, Node.js, Express.js, and it is widely used in many modern web applications. So, and it is an object oriented and event driven language, ideal for building scalable and responsive applications. So, which is a cross platform and runs directly in a modern web browsers without the need for installation. So, major companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon use JavaScript in their tech stacks. So while we are JavaScript program is very easy to write. Like mostly the browsers can run the JavaScript directly. So there is no need to install a compiler like a built-in browser console. It's a very beginner friendly. That's why we have added only and like in a one line code, we can able to provide an interactivity in your static web page. So here, as discussed, HTML and CSS creates only a static web page, but interactivity or intelligence can be added through JavaScript. So here, the modern web applications definitely need a client-side interactivity, and also dynamically the content should be updated, and whatever the user client gives an information in a form should be validated in the client side itself so that the internet overhead and the processing in the server side can be reduced. And also there should be an asynchronous communication between a client and the server. So how the JavaScript has been emerged. So in 1995, it has been created by Brendan Edge at Netscape, which has been initially named as Mocha, then LiveScript. In 1997, it has been standardized as ECMA script by ECMA International. And in 2009, ESS update introduced strict mode and JSON support. And finally, in 2015, ES6, a major update, adds classes, modules, and arrow functions. So here, JavaScript expanded beyond browsers with Node.js, which enables server-side deployment. So today, JavaScript is used for front-end, back-end, mobile apps, games, and in many other applications. So the main advantages of JavaScript is it is very fast in execution, and it is platform independent, and it has a rich user interface than your HTML, and it is a versatile language because it can use all the libraries which has been variables or declarations or control statements, looping statements, functions, everything which has been used in a Java programming language. And also the main disadvantage of JavaScript is security issues and the browser compatibility. So still your JavaScript is facing many security issues and the browser compatibility, but in the modern JS or Node.js, so it has been resolved. And the like when we take the JavaScript fundamentals, So, here, the need for JavaScript is mainly for enabling the interactivity of your of the web page, and then through HTML we can only develop an web page structure, and CSS can use for styling it. But by using JavaScript language, we can able to enable the interactivity, and the validation can be done in the client side itself. And then it has been created in 1995 by Brendan H, and it has been slowly evolved, and now in the modern era we are using Node.js in the server side for building better modern web page applications. Thank you.